Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Yes, those temperatures climbing across the region. We'll take a look at those record highs in just a second. And yeah, it looks like some clouds moving in. We'll get some showers, still on the mild side, in fact, well above normal, as we see the cloud roll in tomorrow. Those showers probably won't start until sometime late afternoon, early evening, and that probability and intensity will grow slightly into the evening. Could get into some heavier rain overnight. Showers continue Wednesday. It may actually look like, oh, it's over, and then the next low comes in. Yes, there's more than one low pressure system pushing through our region. Still mild temperatures. Now, temperatures may slip a bit considerably, and no more double digits, but still well above normal. The seasonal norm for Kingston is for a daytime high is +2 now. It's come up a notch since Friday, and we will find those temperatures will be well above that, though they do slip. Sunny and mild for Thursday. Partly cloudy Friday, still on the mild side. We might see some showers by the weekend again. We'll take a look at that forecast in just a second. How were those highs across the region? Well, look at that. Today, nearly 20 degrees in Belleville. Their record high of 4.6 in 2020. Safe to say they smashed the heck out of that one. 16 today in Smith Falls. It was 5.4 in 2000. Ottawa breaking it too by a couple degrees. 17 today in Belleville, beating it by almost 4 degrees. 17 in Peterborough as well. 16 in both Toronto and Oshawa. Everybody broke a record today. We may do that again tomorrow in some parts of southern and eastern Ontario. 11's where we're sitting now. Southerly winds at about 13 kilometers per hour, so light to moderate breezes across the region now. Just a few clouds through the area. No precipitation today, but we did get up to about 12 millimeters of rain over the weekend. 6:35 for sunrise, setting at 6 o'clock. That's 11 hours and 25 minutes of daylight now that we're getting. So yeah, those days getting longer, that sun setting a little later. Look at all these warm fronts. Look at all the warm air coming up from the south out of that Gulf of Mexico. The cooler air, thanks to these highs that keep dropping in out of the north, right in behind it. And so we're on the warm side now of this frontal boundary. This will continue to track these lows moving northeast. We have another one sort of riding along the east coast, sort of doing its own thing, but still perpetuating that flow out of the south. These will start to track a little more easterly than northerly, and we have another low joining the team south, and this is why we're seeing that probability of precipitation developing tomorrow night through to the morning, and then we see it taper off Wednesday. Not so bad, and then, oh no, we have another low coming in behind it. So we'll probably find that it slow down a little bit for part of Wednesday and then pick up again. So this is what you're looking at now. No real cloud to speak of, but by early morning we see it increase. That probability showers there in a very small way in the morning. It isn't until the late afternoon, early evening that we see the probability popping up at about 30–40%, and then overnight we get into the rain. Could be heavy at times for some of us. The brighter colors showing that intensity increasing, and it will move out. It almost looks as if it's coming to an end by Wednesday morning. Mid-morning, noon, it seems to slow down completely or even stop. But as we pointed out on that surface analysis map, that other low moving up from the south will join the cause, so to speak, and bring you more showers later on Wednesday. So you get that bit of a break, but that 80% probability is strong. Thursday, you'll be up to a 9, Quinty, with a mix of sun and cloud. And tomorrow, it's just mostly cloudy, and another mild one could break some records, a high of 14. Brockville, you'll be up to 15 degrees tomorrow. Cloudy, maybe some sunny periods, but mostly cloudy. A high of only 6 Wednesday. You've got that shower activity developing through the evening and overnight and continuing Wednesday. Thursday, it's a high of 8 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smith Falls rising to 16 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. That cloud it clears up in the morning, and then the cloud increases through the overnight. Wednesday, it's a high 6, and you've got an 80% chance of showers. Thursday, a high of 8 and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast. That chance of showers comes your way by tomorrow night, and it's a mostly cloudy day tomorrow, high 12. 6 degrees will be your high on Wednesday, and the chance of showers continues. It slows down midday, but then picks back up later in the day. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 8, rising to 9 on Friday with a mix of sun and cloud. Back into the chance of showers Saturday. As we tee up the weekend, it could get a little soggy, high of 7. Only a high of 5 on Sunday, and dropping back into the minus range, but just barely Sunday night. So that chance of showers could mix with some flurries before the system is finished with us. Come Monday, though, just mostly cloudy and a high of 5. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
This one comes from Shirley McDonald of Bath. Very excited about the first of the crocuses. Is it crocuses or is it croci? I don't know. But they're showing up in her backyard. The first of them anyway. With the warm temperatures, we'll probably see a lot more soon popping up through the ground. And this comes from Andreas Francescos of Kingston with the snowdrops, all kinds of them in Andrea's yard. Thank you so much, guys, for sending in those pictures. Love those signs of spring. Send them along to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
Yes, coming off a gorgeous weekend. I know that I brought my girls to Maple Madness. You went with your family, but you are expert level when it comes to Maple Madness, because tell everybody what you bring with you.
I bring my, well, I'm type 2 diabetic, so I bring my own syrup, a sugar-free syrup, and we bring the bacon.
You bring bacon?
We are, yes,
yeah,
the coveted bacon. When you take bacon to Maple Madness, a lot of people don't think of that.
No, I don't think anybody, but you thought of that.
Yes.
Everybody's probably sitting there watching you thinking, where was the bacon?
Yeah.
He brought his own bacon.
Yes, it was good, too. It was very good.
I'm sure
and we got
it
out of
was.
there before the rain. We went Saturday,
Yeah.
and it was a little drizzly and misty in the morning. It wasn't until around the lunch hour that it started to pick up. By about 1:30, it started raining, so I'm glad we got out of there. We did a morning trip. You went Sunday. It was quite nice, wasn't it?
It was beautiful. It was gorgeous. It was very busy. A long lineup for the pancakes, but definitely worth it.
Yes, if you're going, be sure to book in advance. They appreciate that. Go on the Little Cat website and book your visit to Maple Madness this season.
For sure. And bring your own bacon.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you in a bit. Thanks, Bill. Thank you, Mike. Bill is back now to tell us if we're going to continue to break some records in the next 10 days, Bill.
Well, it does look like we're going to be way above normal, and tomorrow might break another record, but temperatures do slip a little. Still above normal. The seasonal average for daytime high is 2 for Kingston, and yeah, on Wednesday it only gets up to 6. Some showers moving in tomorrow night, continuing over Wednesday, though there may be a lull midday. We see a second low moving in later in the afternoon with more showers. Back to a mix of sun and cloud over Thursday and Friday, though, as temperatures climb to a 9 by Friday. 7's your high Saturday as the chance of showers returns. And as temperatures slip again as we wrap the weekend up, we could see the showers turn to some periods of snow late in the day as we get back down below freezing. Monday, a high 5 and just mostly cloudy conditions. A mix of sun and cloud over Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as those temperatures start to climb again, as high as 9 by Thursday.
Wow, what an unusual spring we are having so far.
Yes.
Well, I guess winter, I should say.
Winter, yeah.
It
feels like spring, so
it
the
does.
misnomer is allowed.
Yes,
It doesn't feel like winter at all.
It certainly does not, and according to your long-range forecast, it is really going to feel like spring for the next little bit anyway.
Oh, yeah.
All right, thanks, Bill. We'll be right back.
You're watching CKWS News at 11.
And those temperatures soared today across eastern Ontario, southern Ontario too. Everybody in the province saw a big spike in temperatures, all because of this. We're all on the warm side of this frontal boundary, all the cool air is on this side, and we're still getting that. And so we'll be into double-digit daytime highs again tomorrow as a result of this. But by late tomorrow, late afternoon, early evening, we see that probability of showers moving in because of this frontal boundary crossing us. We've got more lows in the south, sort of hitching a ride on this cold front, and this may perpetuate that active weather, rain, not snow, because it's so mild, over the next couple days. Into Thursday, though, we hope to get out from under it as high pressure from the north drops in. You might be thinking, whoa, high pressure from the north, maybe those temperatures are going to drop significantly. They will drop. We just won't be getting the double-digit highs like a 14 tomorrow in Belleville. They'll still be above normal, though, as the showers continue on Wednesday. They develop tomorrow night in Belleville. Wednesday, a high 7 in showers, yes, but we get the showers out of the way Thursday. Mix of sun and cloud and a high of 9. Still, 2 degrees is the seasonal norm now for the Belleville, Kingston area. You're going to rise still to a +9 on Thursday. In Brockville, 15's your high tomorrow, mostly cloudy by midday, and yeah, you may get a sunny period or two, but it's a mostly cloudy day. The chance of showers brewing in the evening. Wednesday, showers with a high 6, a mix of sun and cloud for Thursday, and a high of 8 degrees. Smiths Falls up to 16, a mix of sun and cloud, increasing cloud through the evening, rain overnight. Wednesday, a high 6 with showers, and Thursday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 8. We're not losing those above normal temperatures, are we? It slips a bit, but things are looking quite good. Kingston up to 11 degrees, an increase in cloud tomorrow morning, and you're looking at maybe some sunny periods, but it will be a mostly cloudy day. Showers developing in the evening. Wednesday, a high 6 with more showers or periods of rain. Thursday, it's a high of 8, mix of sun and cloud. A mix of sun and cloud Friday up to 9 degrees. Still remaining above normal as the showers settle in Saturday with a high 7, slipping a bit more with a high of only 4 on Sunday. By the evening, we could see showers turn to flurries, and Monday, mostly cloudy, a high 5.